How to stop blisters pain while ice skating. Before going into video, please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1. Leave it alone. Most blisters heal on their own within a few days. The liquid-filled bubble of skin is actually a natural form of protection that helps shield the wound from harmful bacteria. Blisters also provide a safe space for new skin to grow. As new skin grows, your body will slowly reabsorb the fluid. After a few days, your blister will dry up and flake off. Peeling off a dry blister can interfere with healing time, so it's best to leave it alone. This also greatly reduces your chance of developing an infection. Cover it up. Cover your blister with a loosely wrapped bandage. You can use a regular adhesive bandage or some gauze secured with tape. Your blister needs air to help it dry out, so keep the middle of the bandage slightly raised for airflow. Cushion it. You can also cover your blister with a cushioned adhesive bandage specifically designed for blisters. It can keep out bacteria and reduce pain while your blister heals. Pad it. Avoid putting pressure on your blister by cutting out a donut-shaped piece of moleskin. Moleskin has thick cotton padding that can absorb pressure. Be sure to cover the padding with a regular bandage to keep out bacteria. 2. Protect it. Some blisters may need a little extra protection to keep them from popping. A blister on the back of your heel, for example, might pop from the pressure of your shoes. In addition to causing a lot of pain, this can also increase the amount of time it takes for your blister to heal. If possible, it's best to avoid any friction around the area with the blister. However, this isn't always possible. If that's the case, there are several things you can do to cushion the blister and prevent it from popping. 3. Try natural remedies. In addition to protecting your blister, you can also try some natural remedies to help with the healing process. Aloe vera. If you have blisters from a minor burn or sunburn, applying aloe vera gel can help reduce pain. For added relief, keep it in the refrigerator. The cool temperature will help pull heat away from the skin. Green tea. Green tea has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may promote wound healing. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the risk of infection and speed up healing. 4. Drain it. While it's best to leave blisters alone, sometimes you just need to drain them, especially if they're very large or in an inconvenient place. Never try to pop a blister like a pimple. Your goal is to drain the fluid without damaging the skin covering the blister. If you're going to drain a blister, try to do it within 24 hours of it forming. Follow these steps to safely drain a blister and minimize your risk of infection. Wash your hands and the blister. Wash your hands with soap and warm water. Clean the surface of the blister thoroughly with alcohol, iodine, or an antiseptic Washington. Disinfect a needle with alcohol. Dip a needle in rubbing alcohol to disinfect it. Carefully puncture the blister. Poke 3 or 4 shallow holes around the edge of the blister. Allow the fluid to drain out. Cover the blister with ointment. Apply an ointment, such as petroleum jelly, to the blister. Apply a dressing. Cover the blister tightly with a bandage or gauze. You want the intact roof to press against the underlying skin. Repeat. Blisters tend to fill back up quickly. You may need to perform these steps every 6 to 8 hours for the first 24 hours. After that, change the dressing and apply ointment daily. 5. Use comfortable footwear. The ankle area is the most susceptible to blisters, mainly due to the height of the boots and the pressure they exert on the ankles. For those of you who are casual skaters, take a long wicking sock so it covers your ankles, maybe 2 thin socks if you are between sizes, so the boots fits as well as it can without the sock rucking or creasing. The boots have to be yours, don't buy them too big as there will be too much foot movement in the skates, which can be just as big a problem as too tight boots. With any activity, conditioning is key, increasing your time in the skates so your feet get used to this activity, and if you have an old pair of skates, switch them over when you suspect the new boots are causing areas of pressure and friction. Let us have a quick overview of the top 5 ways to stop blisters pain while ice skating. Number 1. Leave it alone. Number 2. Protect it. Number 3. Try natural remedies. Number 4. Drain it. Number 5. Use comfortable footwear. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video.